Like iOS 17 clearly made its battery worse. Hey guys, and it is time for the battery rain test, and we have the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max, last gen 14 Pro Max, both on full battery health, the Samsung S23 Ultra, Pixel 7 Pro, OnePlus 11 and Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Samsung Pixel, Xiaomi and OnePlus have 5000 mAh battery. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 4422 mAh battery size, slightly bigger than the 14 Pro Max. The numbers may sound hard, but software, display type and chipset matter a lot. This video is gonna give you a rough idea on how much a phone can survive with continuous usage. So before starting, I really appreciate if you can hit a like and subscribe, cause it took me 17 continuous hours to shoot and edit, so yeah, that would mean a lot. So I set all of them to max out resolution and variable refresh rate. All are on latest software, starting things with PUBG, set to same settings and all, and yeah, playing this game a lot, so 2.5 hour session, let's go. So after this gaming session, battery left is 69%, 67%, 69%, 61%, 63% and 69%. Yeah, I mentioned the heat day score too, so make sure to check that out. Now 3 continuous hours of YouTube at 4K 60 frame, and yes, make sure to subscribe, that would mean a lot. Hello. So after this session, battery left is 42% on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, shockingly 32% on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 38% on Samsung, 24% on Pixel, 28% on OnePlus and 38% on Xiaomi. Now Safari/Chrome, cause you all surf internet and it do support high refresh rate. the battery left days 24%, 17%, 26%, 1%, 10%, and 25%. Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi are on top. Pixel is about to go down. 9 Instagram for 1.5 hours, and make sure to follow me there for some exciting content. So left is 14%, 6% on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is a shame, 16% on Samsung, 1% on OnePlus, and 10% on Xiaomi. Yeah, it is shocking to see iPhone 14 Pro Max with iOS 17 is doing worse than most. Finally, camera usage at 4K 60 till they all go down. So the Pixel 10 Pro was supposed to go down at 8 out 13 minutes, which is a shame. Tensor G2 is simply not powerful or power efficient. Then it was the OnePlus 11 went down at 9 hours 48 minutes. That is a decent score, no doubt. The shocking part is, all-time champion of this year, the iPhone 14 Pro Max went down at 9 hours 59